So here you go, everyone. So as you can see, this has generated me 16,175 buckaroos just in the 2.0 version. I'm going to show you how you can start for as little as $79, but I'm going to give you other options. And just like any business that I'm involved with right now, yes, I'm involved with 3. I use the equation 2, the power of 2, because this business, when you start this, guess what? Just 2 people. And I'm going to show you, you can copy me. I'm going to show you bonuses for taking certain actions at the end. But first, I want to show you this $79 business. So where do I get the 79 bucks from? Okay, so I'm going to go into my home right here. And as you can see, I'm Vertex Live. Yes, that's a complete website, Vertex Live. Built for you website, okay? And I'm going to go down. So, but Elevation Elite, this is all you need, because what do you need for any online business? You need a landing, opt-in page, squeeze page. Right here, they do it for you. You can even come over here and copy I'm going to go to scottfunnels.com/worldwide. This is worldwide. This is all Bitcoin too, just so you know. We pay Bitcoin right to you. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. www.scottfunnels.com. So there we go. /worldwide. All right. There we go. So we're going to show you. So if you want a page like this, you don't have to do this page, because guess what? You're going to get this page. It's already done for you. So, but you can have them make a page like this to brand you. And what they'll do is they're going to integrate your autoresponder. And that brings me to the other part of my equation, the other part of the $79 business. And what is that? This is big news. This is E1ULife Pro promo response. This email service provider is cheaper than what I use now. It allows you to make 50% commissions. Okay. As you can see, this works. Subscribers, I did one broadcast. You get this. And the best part about this, if I go into my follow-up here, if I go into campaigns, list campaigns, and this one, Scott's E1ULife follow-up, and I want to manage this form. I want to manage tracking messages just to show you. Look at this. You're getting all this. So when you join me, and I'm going to show you right here what you're going to grab. How you doing? I'm just coming back. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to grab here. Bear with me here. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to share this tab right here. All right, here we go. We got it. So right here, you can see you're going to get it's $30 to start here. You go to yourbigbiz.com, and what you're able to do is you're able to use my funnel, and this is for my team only. So what you're going to do after you create your account at yourbigbiz.com, you're going to come to this. You're going to have to pick your product package, whether it's Elevation, Vertex Live, whatever. But you're going to come into your links right here, and you're going to scroll down. This is my opt-in page, as you can see, Coach Scott D. You can copy me with this page. All you're going to do is copy and paste this when you join me, please. So you're able to, so I'm able to share your link and promote your link. Depending on what product package you came in, there's 2 different ways I promote your link, okay? And here is the sales page. And this brings me to your bonuses right here. So I'm going to copy this page, right? And I'm going to take you over to my sales page right here. So when I go here, this is my VSL. I did this 10 minutes. It breaks down how I fired my boss.
You're going to land on this page.
It breaks it down. I use this to fire my boss. So watch this closely. When you go to yourbigbiz.com, you're going to see this video, okay? Then I have these bonuses. So here's my bonuses. So claim your bonuses and partner with us today. Bonus number 1, you're going to get this funnel. And I actually just showed you this funnel right here. It's in the back office for my team members. It's already done. You don't have to do any coding, none of that. None of that. How cool is that? I mean, I made it so much easier for you guys with a follow-up and all that. So I'm going to come back here. You can go over to yourbigbiz.com for that right now. So you can start getting these bonuses here. And I'm going to take you back now to my bonuses. All right. So here we go. Claim your bonus. So you're going to get this funnel, $14.97 value. Bonus number 2. Now, if you do the Vertex Live, which let me go back here, share this tab instead. If you do the Vertex Live, I'm going to go to my affiliate dashboard. I'm going to go home right here. If you do Vertex Live, it's $2,500. You're getting a full website, okay? Vertex Pro, $1,000. You're getting a total multi-page funnel that you can resell the education and everything with. Vertex Elite, your custom logo. This is a complete business. Email templates to go with the emails I'm giving you. Elevation Elite social media pack, go down my wall. Listen, this is right here in front of you. The product is unbelievable. This is the product of the future. You know what the best part about this product is? It's done for you. All you do is say, I want this, and they do it for you. You don't have to do it, and you get to resell it. How cool is that? So share it with others. So all you have to do is share this with two, because there's a reverse one-up on this, okay? And what is a reversed one-up? So let me go with you with that. A reversed one-up is simply where you keep your first sale. Say you have your Vertex Live, you make your first $2,000 sale. That's your, I taught you how to do that. I started your business. Your next sale will come to me, which brings me to the find two people. Find two, right? All you have to do is find two people. And if you can't find two people on social media right now that want to do this, because I've been doing it for 7 years and the product's better than it was when I first started. Remember that? It's better. And if you had this product before, you can use it. You can use it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my bonuses here. All right. And I'm going to share this tab. All right. So Vertex Live, as I was saying, you're going to get 200 tier 1 clicks, a $240 value, yours free to start your business. This is huge. Now, this goes for all my businesses. We Got Friends, my software business, because I just did a live in my group this morning on how I use all 3 businesses. We got the free launch going with WeGotFriends.com. You can go to checkitoutforfree.com and get in that free launch for your leads. My software business is how I communicate with all of my team. So when I come over here, I'll share this tab and say, this is my software business here, and I have all my contacts here. And I can have real life conversations with these people. Like, thank you, this person I was helping today, another person. This is what happens when you have all of your leads at your fingertips. You can communicate with them. They can communicate with you. So I want to make sure that you understand that all 3 of my business, as I went through it at 11 o'clock on Scotty's affiliate marketing show, they all jive together. So when you come into my group, you're going to see that I'm live every Tuesday and Thursday. So without further ado, let me go back to the bonuses here. So, and if you have my software business, my E1U Life funnel, I can duplicate it for you. My follow-up and everything. It works. This is where email and mobile technology mold together. And that's what I teach, right? That's the future affiliate, right? What do you think the future, what is the future? The future is email. The future is websites. So why are you scrolling still? Why haven't you jumped in? Why haven't you taken your business seriously? And another thing, the longer it takes for you to start, the longer it takes for you to earn. Because if you never start, guess what? It's true. Or you do nothing, you're not going to get anything. So let me go back to my bonuses so I can hook you up. So let me go back over here. I'm going to go here. We're going to go back to my bonuses, share screen, share. We're going to go back to this. You can copy this page. You can copy this page. So let's recap. $490, you're getting this entire funnel of my VSL, my capture page, my follow-up. You're getting Vertex Live. They're going to create your website. You want those big $2,000 commissions? I'm going to start your business for you. Bonus number 3, step-by-step course. This is huge for all my businesses. I send that to you. Access my high converting email swipes. I just showed you in my autoresponder, the same autoresponder you're going to have. You have that all back there. Plus on Google Docs, I have my highest converting emails. Proven ad copy. I love classified ads. I have all the proven ad copy, and the subjects for the emails can be used in your ad copy. This is huge. YouTube rotator levels 1 through 4. You're going to my channel. I just need your link. I'm firing that up this week. By this weekend, I'm just waiting to get a few more people inside this YouTube rotator so I can make it live. And I'm dubbing my E1U Life MSB funnel, which is my software business. So you can have, when someone opts into your capture page, you can get a text message, and they're going to get an email, and you're going to have them at your fingertips, just like I showed you right here. I'm going to share this tab right here. Look, all these people right at your fingertips. Okay. This works. So that's why I'm showing you this. I wouldn't be showing this to you if it didn't work, because people wonder why you have 3 businesses. Well, my software business is a side hustle for me, right? That made me almost $6,000 now in a very short amount of time, and $200 instant payments. That gives me my cash flow. This gives me major cash flow, and you can replicate it. It doesn't get easier than this. Then you can communicate with your leads inside my software business CRM, which is right here. So that's basically what I'm showing you. I'm showing you how everything is molded together. And as you can see, this was me. This followed up for me. He had a simple question. Boom. I told him what to do. Thank you. That's how business should work. And if you're in We Got Friends, if you are in E1U Life, you need my software business. But the whole point of this story here is the $79 business. So I'm going to share my tab, get back here. And this here, bonus number 7, right now I'm using my Facebook group. This will be done probably this quarter at the end, the middle of next quarter, because I want to put thought into this, because I want to make this the best thing ever. We have your own link, your own everything. See all my trainings this way. It's all in one spot, because some people are not on Facebook. Majority are. And I use Facebook a lot for all my marketing. So I'm going to stop my share here, see if I have anyone that popped in on here. Cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you We Got Friends. And this is another business where you just need to find 2 people, and that's it. So, and the other option, $79, just so you know, is Elevation Basic and E1U Life Pro, which is your hosting, your email, everything. So go see what you're paying at GoDaddy for hosting, see what you're paying at for emails, and compare $49 a month, especially if you're just getting started. $49 a month to get paid residual and instant commissions from anywhere from 2,000 down to 30, 100, 250, 500, 1,000. Now, ask yourself this, would that help you? I know it will. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So, all right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen again. I want to show you We Got Friends. And if this is on YouTube, guess what? All you have to do, click the link below. It's going to take you to yourbigbiz.com. Okay. It's going to take you to yourbigbiz.com. Let's go into We Got Friends. All right. Because guess what? We all have friends, right? But we don't need to bother our friends and family, because I got you covered. I'm going to promote your link. I already showed you that. So there's absolutely no excuse not to get started in any 3 of these businesses. One, We Got Friends is free. My software business is only $200, and it pays you instantly over and over and over again, just like E1U Life, where you can start from 30 all the way up to 2,000. So when I share my screen here, I'm going to go to my screen share, and we're going to go to We Got Friends. We're going to log into We Got Friends. All right. And I went over this in my Facebook group this morning. If you're not in my Facebook group, get in there. As soon as you're on my team, you're getting in there. I got to set my payment up here. But I go into my dashboard here, and as you can see, I have 45 people on my left line. Now, these 45 people are going to pay me monthly residual, okay? That's a lot of money monthly right there. This is my other side of my Nitro line, my power line. So all I have to do is do the left line. We're live Monday through Thursday, okay? Monday through Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern. You can create your free account at checkitoutforfree.com and get started with this. 15 days we go launching, and then I'm going to show you how I use these leads that I get here. And what I do is I use them in my software business, where I go to all my contacts. And as you can see on the top right of my contacts here, you can see I have over 1,000 people that came in here. Hence why I've made just about 6,000, 5,800 with this my software business income stream. And I can actually show you this here, so you're able to see for real. As you can see, these are my 3 businesses: E1U Life, my software business. Look at this, $5,800. And look at this. All we do is share a phone number. And what is this? Is a lead magnet that I use for this. Make sense? So let me do this again. Let me show you how I mold all these together. Okay. We Got Friends. All right. This is leads. So we're going to get 100 leads every single month from here. Free to join. Go to checkitoutforfree.com. Then what you have is my software business. All right. This is a lead magnet. You can share your phone number, and this phone number will follow up for you. And what it'll do, it'll enter the contact into your CRM right here. Okay. That's how that works. That's how it molds together. It's very, very simple. And then what I'm showing here is how you can introduce people to E1U Life, We Got Friends, all right, or my software business, using the My Software Business portal, okay, using the lead magnet, which is free software. You get the base version of a Facebook software that you can use. I don't complicate it. People overcomplicate it. I send people to this link, this web link. What it does, it takes that contact that shows up in my resellers under my team. It takes them into the CRM right here, and it follows up with them. Okay. It follows up for me, so I don't have to. All right. And then here, E1U Life follows up for you too. Everything follows up for you. And then here, this follows up for you too, because you're getting websites. So these are 3 businesses in a box that I can use over and over again with the 3. So that's that. So what you want to do right now is you want to see what you want to do. If you want to start your $79 business, guess what? Go to yourbigbiz.com. If you want to get involved with my software business and make instant $200 commissions directly to you, you're going to want to go to cashtoyourcellphone.com or dial 239-579-3565, which is my virtual AI coach that's going to walk you through the step-by-step process. Also, if you do one or the other, you definitely have to do We Got Friends, because We Got Friends is going to be the lead source that you're going to introduce people to my software business for a lead magnet. So you have multiple ways of leads coming in. I hope this makes sense to you, because this is how I put my business together. This is how I started. I started with mobile. I didn't hit email until 2018, okay? Once I hit email in 2018, I combined the 2. Then I had to redo everything in the last 2 years because the way we marketed got different. I stay above the times. I stay with the times. So this is the way. This is the permission-based way to use SMS properly. This is the proper way to use any business properly, and everyone uses this. And you need a capture page. So if you have $30, you can get a capture page and start making 100% commissions on a $30 product. If you get the autoresponder, $49 a month, then you can split profits on all the sales with me, 1 through 5. So if you say you're at Elevation Basic, which is $30, or at the $100, which I say you have to be able to, you have to own the product to sell. Okay. You have to own the product to sell. So what you need to do is you got to make sure that you're somewhere in the middle if you want 100% commissions. But if you're not, don't worry. You pay the $30 or the $110 or the $275 or the $550. And what happens here is if someone buys Vertex Live or Vertex Pro, we split that. So Vertex Pro is $1,000. You and I both get $500. And with Vertex Live, we both get $1,000. So that's how leveraged it is. It's awesome. Make sure you come tonight live at 7 p.m. Eastern. Yourbigbiz.com. Webinar link is in the back office. I'll see you all later. Be sure to go to yourbigbiz.com if you're ready to win in 2023 and beyond. So I'll see you on my next live. I'll see you on my next YouTube video, and bye for now.